Hey you guys, so it's your girl Bang. Today I'm gonna be showing you how I got this look. Yep, you better get it, girl. That's me. All right, yes, it's giving. So yeah, I'll be showing you guys what I use for this headpiece and for this beautiful face. Keep watching. Here you'll lay out all of those toy snakes, all different sizes, all different colors, and you can use as many as you want. This is completely up to you. I think I used about 20 snakes, different sizes and different colors. Oh shit, I think I used way more than 20, but it's alright, it's alright. Use however many you want. I like a full headpiece. Now you're gonna spray all these snakes with the primer, the paint primer. All right, so this may take a couple coats and you want it to dry for at least 4 hours or maybe overnight if you feel like it's still tacky. So once your paint primer is dry, go ahead and start attaching those snakes with the hot glue gun to the headband. Also, please be careful because that glue ain't no hoe. That shit will burn. I done burnt myself maybe like 5 times, for real. So you're gonna wanna hold the snakes in place until the glue dries. Otherwise, you're just gonna have a hot mess. All right, it's starting to come into form. Y'all see it? All right, now y'all excuse me while I prop my little headpiece back up here against this candle and this bowl of candy. Oh shit, it's upside down. My fault. Oh, also I switched this out. Instead of using the liquid illumination gold paint, I'm using this Mayron gold makeup. It works exactly the same. Use anything that's gold, honestly. What you want to do is dab a little bit onto the scales, and what that does is just make it pop. All right, so boom, we done. Let's take a look at it. All right, so this is the finished look. I'm gonna try it on with my hair down and see what it looks like. And then I'm also gonna twist my hair up and kind of see what the best way to do this is. All right, so here's what it looks like with my hair down. I feel like I kind of want to shorten it up like this so it doesn't take away too much from the snakes. But I'm liking how it looks. I think I'm gonna push I feel like if I push the headband forward more, like that, you'll be able to see it a little bit more. So yeah, I'll push it forward. And then I think I'm gonna, well, I don't know. What y'all think? Hair down, or I can twist it up so it's kind of like shorter. I don't know. All right, people, so this is the finished result. I love it. Look like motherfucking Dora the Explorer in this bitch with locks. So I think it's giving what it's supposed to give.
Hey you guys, so this is the final look. I went ahead and made the scales a little bit darker. I put one contact lens in just to see how it feels. It literally looks like there's a screen over my eye, like a white screen. I can still see. You guys didn't know I had a split tongue, haha. But I can still see. It's just like a white screen. And when light shines in it, it's kind of blinding a little bit. But when it's dim light, I can see perfect. It's fine. Not 2020, but it's better. So I don't know. I might just go out with just one eye. I don't know. I'll put the second one in and just see how I feel. But this is the finished look, you guys. Do you like? You like?
Yes, yes.